YouTube channel. In today's session we will be working on Exp25 Word Chapter 2 ML1 Festival. I will guide you step by step. You can easily understand the instructions and complete your assessment without any confusion. If you need any help with Blackboard, Cengage, MyIT Lab, assignments, quizzes, simulation exam, simulation training, hands-on exercises, midterm exam, final exam or a complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for accounting, finance, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, MS Access, mathematics, stats, economics, writing, computer science courses, programming languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, Python, C++, Java, and more programming languages, and website development using different frameworks and CMS like WordPress, Webflow, Wix, Framer, and other frameworks and CMS. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A plus grades guaranteed. Now let's start today's assessment and go through it step by step. There are total 17 questions of this assessment. Let me zoom this for proper view. Here is the title of assignment: Exp25 Word Chapter 2 ML1 Festival. Here is a project description. As you can see that in the following project you will use Word to prepare a document promoting on an upcoming festival. You will format the document including bullets, styles, and line and paragraph spacing. In addition, you will add interest by including objects such as picture and word art. Here is a project description. You can also read it out. Now we will move to the question number 1. Question number 1 is: start Word, download and open the file name exp25 Word Chapter 2 ML1 Festival. Reader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Display the non-printing character. Basically, in this question, you will have to download the file name exp25 Word Chapter 1 Festival from my IT Lab dashboard. I have already downloaded this file from Pearson My IT Lab dashboard. Here is a file I have already downloaded. And the second part of the first question is show non-printing characters. Click on this button to show non-printing characters. Now we will move to the question number 2. Question number 2 is select the first paragraph in the document. Mount were non hot air balloon festival. Insert word art, selecting fill blacks, text color 1, outline white, background color 1, hard shadow blue, accent color 5, row 3, column 2. Change the font size of the word art object to 24. First you will have to select the first paragraph. Mount were known hot air balloon festival. Go to the file, select this and apply the word art. Go to the insert tab and go to the text group, then click on this word art and apply this one. Fill color black, text color 1, outline white, background color 1, hard shadow blue, accent color 5. Apply this. And change the font size of word art object to 24. Go to the file and change the font size to 24 to 24. This one. Question number 2 are completed. Now we'll move to the question number 3. Question number 3 is wrap text around the word art object as top and bottom. Format the word art object with shape, style, subtle effect, blue accent 5, row 5, column 6. Visually center the word art object on the first line of the document. The first point is wrap text around the word art object as top and bottom. Go to the shape format, then wrap text as top and bottom. This one, click on this top and bottom. And the next part is format the WordArt object with the shape, style, subtle effect. Subtle effect. Go to the book. Subtle effect. Blue accent 5. Blue accent 5. Subtle effect blue accent 5. Apply this. And visually center the word art object on the first line of the document. Now you will have to center this. Go to the home tab and center this. Question number 3 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 4. Question number 4 is select the second paragraph in the document. See the canon from the top. The word art object will also be selected as the second line is anchored to the object. Center and bold the text and apply the font color of blue accent 5. First, you will have to select the paragraph in the document. See the canyon from the top. Second paragraph. See the canyon from the top. And from the top, the word art object will also be selected as the second line is anchored to the object. Center and bold the text and apply a font color of blue accent 5. Center and bold and color. First, you will have to click on this alignment, center this, and apply the bold. And color is the blue accent 5. Color is, then go to the color button, blue accent 5. Apply this color, blue accent 5. Question number 4 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 5. Question number 5 is select almost all of the remaining text on page 1 beginning with May 28, 29 to 2026 and ending with the on the festival ground. Select all the text on the page 1 beginning with the state. Select all the text on page 1. Balloons on the festival ground. On the festival ground, then change the font of column text on page 1 to Centuries School Book. Century School Book. Change the font to Century School Book. Century School Book. This one. Century School Book. And then change the line spacing to 1.5 and change to click on then you will go to the home tab, go to the paragraph section, then click on this line and paragraph spacing to 1.5. Then the next part is insert a page break on page 2 before the heading frequently asked question. Now you will have to add page break before the heading frequently asked question. Then go to the layout tab, then go to the page setup group, then click on this break to page break, click on this page break, The page break are now inserted. Question number 5 are completed. Now we'll move to the question number 6. Question number 6 is check spelling and grammar. The word volumination is not misspelled. For the process of this document, accept the grammatical correction related to the word from in the second line of the document. Ignore any other refinement concerns. In this question, basically you will have to check this spelling and grammar, the word volumination, and ignore all other ones. Go to the file, then go to the review tab, then go to the proofing group, click on spelling and grammatical, and click on the ignore ones, ignore ones. Okay. Question number 6 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 7. Question number 7 is position the insertion point in the third paragraph on page 1. This date and right align it. Go to the file. This date, select this date and right align. Go to the home tab, then click on this right align. Right align this. Select all two column text including the line containing festival dates and apply paragraph spacing after of 6 point. In this part you will have to select all the remaining text and apply the spacing after the paragraph is 6 point. Select all the paragraphs. Select all text and apply paragraph spacing. Click on this button to spacing before and after paragraph is to 6 point. Go to the paragraph group, click on this launcher box. After is 6, click OK. Question number 7 are completed. Now we'll move to the question number 8. Question number 8 is position the insertion point before the paragraph beginning as for the kids. Position the insertion point before the paragraph beginning as for the kids. Go to the file, before the paragraph as for the kids. Click on this and say as for the kids. On the same line and insert a balloon.jpg. The balloon.jpg image I have already downloaded from Pearson MyLab dashboard. In this, then you will go to the insert tab, then go to the illustration group, then click on these pictures from this device and choose the image where reside and go to the desktop. this one, balloon.jpg. Insert this image. And size the picture with a width of 1. Picture format, shape width to 1. Shape width to 1. And select and remove background in the adjusted group in the picture format tab to remove the picture background, and press enter to accept the changes. Go to the picture format tab, then go to the remove background, click on keep changes, this one. And the last part is select the square text wrapping and a picture style of reflected bevel white. In this point you will have to apply this style to the shape reflected bevel white. Click on this, then go to the picture styles group, then click on this drop down and select it bevel reflected bevel white, this one. And also select the square text wrapping, this one. Click on the square text wrapping. As you can see that square text wrapping and reflected bevel are now applied on this. We have now completed 8 questions of this assessment. If you need any help with the remaining questions or want me to handle your complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for all types of assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, hands-on exercises for a complete course. I have successfully handled courses for the students from Canada, USA, and many other countries. If you need any help with this task, feel free to reach out to me. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A+ grades guaranteed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.